Hi, Holly from the Boat Tours. And today we're on this Lagoon 67 built in 2023. So this is the power version, 4-cabin owner's version. We'll show you around, inside, outside, and then we'll finish up on the flybridge. So come on board and have a look around. So let's bring you in to see this huge cockpit. As you can see, the beam of this boat is 10 meters, so just over 32 foot wide. It'll give you this amazing space, huge L-shaped seating with a fixed table, hardwood, so really durable and nice. Got really nice bench seating behind you. All these lockers here are massive, so you can have your inflatables down there, maybe your kind of paddle boards, things like that. Ropes and fenders can be in here. This side, we've got a sink here, we've got bin storage, and then both sides, one here we've got an electric grill, the other side we've got a top loading fridge, we've got sun pads, loads of storage space, loads of space for sun lounging, and then the stairway up into the flybridge. So coming into the saloon here, you can see these bifold doors that really open this whole space out from the cockpit into the saloon. Another amazing dining table this side, and huge sofa on the starboard side. You've got a massive plasma behind you, which we'll spin around and show you. And then we've got access to the cabins and also to the other cabins and galley this side. Inside helm station, so we've got an electric throttles here, and we've got all the Simrad navigation equipment. So you've got your auto helm, you've got your chart plotter. This has fish finders as well. So anything that you can need, this boat has it. So let's start you down in the owner's cabin. As I said before, this is the 4-cabin boat with the owner's cabin layout. We've got a really nice dressing table that can also be used as a desk, but this particular boat has a desk on the other side as well that's much larger. We've got storage all the way along this side, really nice window, a huge island berth here. You've got your own lounge area with this seating and shelving, and then if I turn you around this way, this is going to be ensuite. So we've got a hardwood door here that's completely separate. Makes it completely separate from the bedroom. His and her sinks, walk-in shower, and then another separate heads. So you can close that off. More storage and wardrobe storage at this side, and an entrance and exit straight into the cockpit, so you don't have to come through the saloon. So we have 2 guest VIP cabins. This is one of them, another island berth with these nice steps, making it nice and easy to get into the bed. Another ensuite with a walk-in shower, obviously your own sink and heads, and this amazing width window as well with an opening porthole. So now we're on the porthole. We've got this second VIP cabin, exactly the same as the one I showed you on the other side. Where you are now is another heads with a walk-in shower and toilet and a massive sink. So if we walk further forward, we've got another heads here that is used for this cabin. So this is the bunk cabin. We've got 2 singles with lots of storage, and this is the desk that I mentioned earlier. So full width desk with the seating underneath, and the storage here for your electronics or for your files, and more storage down here. The further we go on, we go into the galley of the boat. So this boat has Miele appliances. We've got a Samsung full-length fridge freezer with a water dispenser, hobs and ovens here, and then a twin stainless steel sink here. If I spin you around here, you can see the galley's dining table, so you can either eat down here or you can take the food up into the cockpit, the saloon, or to the table on the flybridge. Coming through the saloon here takes us out onto the foredeck. We've got this sunken seating area, really big, nice, comfortable cushions. You've got more seating on the starboard and the port. We've got the crew cabins here underneath you. We can see the bunk beds. So we've got bunk beds for the crew on the starboard and also the port. We've got this electric quick windlass, and then we've got these 2 sun lounges as well that are really comfortable, and access to the cockpit from the port and the starboard. Coming up these fixed wooden stairs here, that also will close for safety. Here we've got another electric grill and sink for entertainment, and then below we've got another fridge and an ice maker. So it's really good for entertainment. Drinks up here, drinks holders, we've got the bins as well. Drinks holders all around in the seats. Another huge drop leaf fixed table. So you can pull these up to make it nice and easy to get in and out if you're sat in the middle. More sun loungers, we've got the huge speaker system. We've got the navigational aids up here as well. So we've got another SIMRAD, 2 screens, touch screens, and then we've got the throttles, the side powers as well. Everything that was downstairs is a carbon copy up here as well. Really nice view from the bow, and we also have reversing cameras to make it nice and easy to see if you're parking stern first. So that's the end of the tour of this Lagoon 67 built in 2023. This particular boat is for sale with the Bush & Noble, so you can see the full specification on their website and organise any viewings. That's www.bushandnoble.com. Thanks for watching, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.